Hello everyone. I'm going to demonstrate in the following video an email automation which I recently created for an Israeli fund. So this automation essentially relevant for any organization which needs to send email in bulks to employees, clients, leads, etc. So this automation is built from a few pieces which I'm going to walk through now. The first piece is where we're populating the investors' names and specific details which we want to incorporate in each email. We have here date, we have the proceeds, some kind of percentages, and the template that we want to use, and also whether we want to print to create an email for specific investor or not. Um, the CC BCC tab is where we are populating the details that we want to incorporate in each specific email. So for John Lennon, we would like to add CC for XYZ and ABC, and also BCC for DDD. And the same for Paul McCartney, we have 3 CCCs to add and 2 BCCs. We can also select here what kind of email template we want to create. The email templates are templates that the user will build based on the requirements. So for example, this is the first email and this is the second email. So how this automation works. So the user will build the email and we'll add some kind of characters where he would like to replace it with specific information from the investors tab. So in our case, we would like to replace the ampersand, which is located in column 2 from the investor tab with the names. So yeah, to replace the ampersand with the name of the investor. At the same time, we can also replace and populate information like dates, like percentages, and this automation takes the exact formatting that we set in addition in the template here. So if we want to replace the values with the currency, it will work the same. It will show the same as over here. If you want to show percentages, the same way. If we want to add more digits like this, it will just follow exactly what we do here. So I'm going to run the macro and then show the outcome. So I'm going to click on the display emails, and now it generates the emails for each one of the investors, the clients, or whatever. I'll wait a second for it to finish. Okay, and it seems like it's finished. So we can see here that the email generated for John Lennon has the specific information which is located in the investor tab, and at the same time it also attached a specific file which only John Lennon should receive, and also a general notice which all of the investors will receive. So if I'm gonna go back to the investors tab, I can see that Ringo received template 2 because he will not receive any money. So if I'll find his email, we can see that Ringo has a different template, but still has the relevant attachment and also the relevant CC and BCC addresses. So this automation is very flexible because the user can add as much as needed lines over here and create as long as necessary, and at the same time we can add as much as needed characters to replace information inside the content of the email. The attachments tab is also very useful because we can add just as much as necessary attachments. If we have, I don't know, 20, 30 attachment that we need to add, or a zip file, I don't know, we can, it's just flexible, and we can add to the right as many as necessary attachments. And obviously the investor tab, which can be tab named any other name, and the details here can be information for clients, information for prospective leads, employees, or anything else, and we can expand and add as much columns as we need for our email. So the key point from this video is that this email automation can be very flexible, and you can generate as much as needed templates. You can add signatures if required. Select the specific recipients from the list which you want to send the email to. Attach personal attachments, and obviously personalize the email to each recipient based on his details. So the main recipients which might be relevant for this automation is for any organization with clients. If you need to send reminders or follow-ups to your employees, clients, or leads, holiday greetings, event announcements, surveys, or feedbacks, whenever you want to send any files or reports, newsletter, onboarding emails, and many other ideas. These are only the ideas that I came up with. I'm sure you can come up with your own ideas. I hope you like this video, and please let me know if you have any questions or ideas about this automation, and thank you very much for watching.